Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Game From Scratch. We have a bit of news from game development today. Now this one is, it sounds more impressive than it is. Let's put it that way. This one's going to sound like a big acquisition just happened. But truth of the matter is, this is a pretty small acquisition on the whole. And what we've got today is Adobe. Yes, everybody's favorite company who have acquired so many other companies and it has always gone perfectly. Well, Adobe have just acquired another company. And this one is Oculus Medium. Now this is, yes, that Oculus, and no, not that Medium. So if you're thinking the blogging platform, nope, not that Medium. If you're thinking Oculus in terms of the VR headset people, yes, that Oculus, they just basically bought a very small piece of Oculus. This one is very strange. It's a project called Medium. So let's look at what Medium's all about and some of the details on the acquisition. So first off, we're starting things off on the Adobe blog. So I will, of course, link this in the linked article down below, and here we can see what is going on. Today, I'm thrilled to welcome the amazing Medium team to the Adobe family. Born as an innovative VR authoring tool at Facebook's Oculus division, the Medium team and technology are an exciting addition to Adobe as we aim to meaningfully accelerate our 3D and immersive efforts. Medium has been a beacon of creativity in the VR space, pushing creative and technical boundaries of 3D modeling. The creative tools enable users to sculpt, model, and paint in an immersive environment to create character objects, environments, expressive works of art, and more. The integration of Medium's tools and technologies will greatly contribute to our 3D and immersive strategy. Now, it's kind of funny if anyone actually thinks they have a strategy in place, but we'll continue. We're also excited about the thriving community Medium has been enjoying. We welcome this world of talented artists with great enthusiasm and will ensure continuity in the way they currently access and experience the tools right up till we replace it with a subscription model you do not want. We can't wait to work with this community to keep Medium growing and improving. So the funny thing is, the guy talking here, Sebastian the guy, so the guy talking here, damn, I missed out on a perfect pun opportunity there. Anyways, he's from Algorithmic, you know, the makers of Substance Painter and Substance Designer. So, yeah, it's like big fish eating smaller fish, eating smaller fish, eating smaller fish kind of picture thing going on here. But during my time at Algorithmic, acquired by Adobe in January 2019, which everybody loved that move as well, we've always looked up to Medium and seen shaping as something we'd love to tackle. The redoubled investment of Adobe in 3D and AR space will finally allow us to join forces and bring our complementary talents together. The Substance and Medium teams are ready to work together on the next generation of 3D tools. I'm excited to embark on this fantastic journey with the Medium team and look forward to helping creatives shine in innovative ways. So if you're interested, Medium also has a blog post out on the subject. You're going to find this one kind of has a little bit more rundown on their application. Their application is a VR sculpting tool, obviously for the Oculus Rift, but at this point in time, it seems like all VR software run on all VR headsets. So to date, Medium has been used by AAA game developers, indie VR developers, feature film concept artists, VFX artists, and more. Yeah. So to our passionate Medium users, nothing is changing for you today. And the app is currently still free today when you activate your new Oculus Touch controllers on the Oculus Store. Stay tuned for more features and improvements and other developments coming from Adobe in 2020 as Medium continues to evolve. Or, of course, they go the Mixamo route and just decide to kind of get rid of it. And then, you know what? Enjoy your program. It's still free for now. Sorry, I hate to be so bitter on this, but Adobe acquisitions don't always go great. They're probably number 2 behind Google for companies you do not want to acquire a product that you currently love. So if you're interested in just a little bit more, you can actually head on over to Oculus itself. They have their own page for Medium, and once again, they have an announcement of what is going on. But you see, it is all about VR modeling using kind of virtual clay in virtual space. It's a very neat concept. Their website needs some help. Let's try that again. Nope. All right, we'll go on back. We'll leave that alone. So, as you can see, their website seems to be having some small issues. But yeah, that's what it's all about. It's a VR sculpting application. It is now owned by Adobe. Nothing is theoretically changing right now. I will, of course, use the word theoretical because, again, it is Adobe, and Adobe's history in this regard is not wonderful. Now, at the same time, though, it hasn't really been complete doom and gloom from Substance. There's some things that happened with that acquisition people don't love. It hasn't been incorporated into into Creative Cloud, so there's no upside for existing Adobe customers, and you can no longer get perpetual licenses directly from Substance. The only perpetual license you can get now is via Steam for the indie version. So if you were using the professional version and you did not like subscriptions, well, that part sucked for you, I guess. But yeah. So that's where we're at. Adobe acquired Medium. No, that Medium from Oculus. Yes, that Oculus. And here we are now. Now, I've never actually done any sculpting in VR. I find VR kind of an awkward medium, to be honest. I really enjoy it for games. It's a lot of fun. But even in just using a game, I don't generally enjoy interacting with the user interface or anything like that. So, but I can see real value here for like prototyping a level that you're actually down and inside of it. But there are other people that have definitely embraced VR to a much greater amount than I have. And you know what? This might be a wonderful tool for you. I'd be interested in hearing if you do use Medium, not that Medium, on a daily basis, what you think of it, what you think of this acquisition in general, and what do you think of Adobe acquiring companies? Am I just being a little too harsh on them? Or is it pretty accurate that this is probably the beginning of the end? Anyways, that's it. So yeah, Adobe acquired Oculus Medium. Let me know what you think. Comments down below, and I'll talk to you all later. Goodbye.